shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for October 29th, 2020. Well, we are below 2 months of massive dark pool sell prints on the SPY. 2 months, September and October, they have been selling, you guys. This is big. Yeah, I've bolded them all up for you guys. 334.50. Anything in bold is from September and October. And you can see on the SPY, we are well below all of them. We just went below my whisper, bear below level, 327.50. And yep, things could get ugly. Now, the only thing is the tech reporting this week, and I'll get to that in a minute. But these are the levels. Now, if we do go up above 330.50, there's a retracement trade back up. But right now, not looking good. IWM. We will be bullish above 155, bear below 152.40. We're below all the recent dark pool activity as well. So yeah, that's not looking great. The next moving averages, to watch are this 90 simple and the 100, the 161, the 120, 250. These are, they're magnets. They're going to be drawn to it, but they're also rubber bands. But what I noticed yesterday is we did not bounce a lot off that rubber band. So it's kind of meltdown territory. Yeah, that's extremely bearish. Let's go to the Qs. So the Qs are a little bit different. Right now we are in between the dark pool levels. All right, we have some that are still below us, like 263.93 and 265.47. 271 is still below us, but we have many that are above us. This 278.22, 282. Now we have Apple reporting, we have Google, Amazon. We have a lot of big tech reporting this week. So if we do go below, these highlighted dark pool levels, uber bearish for technology, okay, for the QQQs. They're usually the last to fall during a correction as well. And you can also see on this weekly chart, we've coming down to this 20 simple moving average in orange. Yeah, that's key. Yeah, if we go below that, right, then there's a big drop down to about 255 area. All right, so that's what I'm looking at if these earnings are not good. And again, it doesn't really matter if they're good or bad. If the stocks don't like it, that's where it's going to most likely go. All right, so let's go on to the E-minis. But today we're bearish below 273.50. The E-minis, we are going to be bullish above 11,300. I'm sorry, 3305. Sorry, that was the NASDAQ. 3305 and bear below 3280. And we are below the bear below level already for the E-minis. Now we are coming down, right, to this 161 EMA. And I wrote this down. See that? It's a Camarilla support and and it moves around. We hit it 32.55, and you see how we bounced a little bit? But here's the deal. How much are we going to bounce? Maybe we're just going to kind of consolidate and then melt down through it. So that's really the key to look at for the E-minis. And of course, that'll affect the SPY as well today. So let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 11,300, bear below 11,200, and we've already gone down. And we hit this major level, 11150, and bounced. We'll see if we go below that. That would be another entry if we break below that, by the way. And we'll most likely test this 120 simple moving average, the dash line. That's really powerful. If you don't have that on your chart, the 120 SMA on the daily chart, it's amazing. All right, let's go to the oil futures, which are looking really ugly. Again, this is seasonality. We've been expecting this. We've been shorting oil left and right in the Java pit. This has definitely been my favorite trade. That and the financials have been weak. And so today we're going to be bullish above 36.60. and bear below 35.75. We've already gone below. And this is a great example, by the way, of my second test, right? So this is the first test of a person's S2 level, support 2, right? Second test right here. Look at the big volume spike. The volume spiked all the way up high. And yep, there we go. The buyers are no longer there the second time around. Perfect textbook example of that, actually. Let's go to the gold futures. Yeah, gold and silver getting killed because money is moving into the dollar right now. Yep, it's moving out of the market and into the dollar, which is pushing down gold and silver. So gold futures bullish above 1890. All right, if we can climb above that wall, bear below 1872.50, which we've already gone below, and I think we hit quite a few targets. Yeah, the only way gold and silver is going to go up is if we have a stimulus package, and as we know, they're not doing that before the election, and it could be quite a few weeks after the election, unfortunately. Yeah, for people and, of course, anybody that is long gold and silver, but that's pretty much what's going on right now. Pins had earnings, and wow, yeah, stock really jumped. We're going to be bullish above 66 if we can go above that, and bear below 64 for a retracement trade. Again, with these stocks that come out with earnings, yeah, the trend trade, wait 15 minutes on a 5-minute chart. If we go below that 15 EMA, that's going to be bearish after the first 15 minutes. So 9:45, if we go below that 15 EMA, that's usually a pop and drop scenario. So watch that, watch the levels, and of course watch those ECN books and see where the big guys are loaded to buy and sell. NIO, Paul in the Java pit already trading this, rocking this one on the short side pre-market. Bullish above 29.20 and bear below 28.24. Yeah, we've already gone down and hit our first target. Now you can see on the 5-minute chart, it's really got support. Came down to this 200 exponential moving average. Yeah, so it can get choppy in this area. Yeah, I personally wouldn't enter there, right? I would definitely enter below. Yeah, below that. 27.50 would probably be my next entry on the short side. Let's go to the next one, Apple. Apple has earnings after the close. And we're going to be bullish above 115, and we are going to be bearish below 111.50. Yeah, so it could have a big movement today. Just be careful into earnings. Yeah, but today could be pre-earnings momentum. Yeah, watch this 111.50 level. There's really nothing on the daily chart below that until about 110. So let's go to Marvell. Marvell. Yep, looks like it had earnings as well and did not like them. So we're going to be bullish only above 38 for a retracement trade, bear below 36.50. Lots of whispers today, by the way. LI Auto, we're going to be bullish above 1950, bear below 1880. Looks like it's pop and drop. Tesla, still weak after earnings, bear below 407. And we just pretty much touched down on that. And bullish above 415. Microsoft, still bearish after earnings. We'll be bullish above 207 for a retracement trade, but bear below 203, which we are testing right now. And you can see on the daily chart, there's just lots of room here to go down. Yeah, till we hit that 161 moving average. Let's go to silver. Yep, so I've already mapped this out early for you. We did go below that massive level. Are we going to stay below it? We'll see, but 2142 is a key level. That's the biggest dark pull prints I've ever seen on silver. And let's see, we've hit quite a few targets. 2080 is the S3 level. Yep, so we'll see if it can hold that. If it cannot, that's going to be uber bearish for silver. Bullish above 2203. Yep, which is way up there. All right, let's go to the next one, Carnival. CCL, bullish above 13. I don't like the bull above level. I don't think it's going to even get there. Yeah, it's more a bearish trade for me. We're already below the bear below 1248 level. We're below the massive prints that came in this week at 1394. So let's move on to Facebook. Yeah, Facebook in an interesting spot here. You know, is it going to, yeah, push to the upside or, yeah, come down there? I know earnings are after the close, you guys. So it could have a pre-earnings momentum move. Please be careful on Facebook. Bull above 277.50, bear below 274. All right, Tiffany has some really good pre-market volume. We're going to be bullish above 132 and bear below 130 for Tiffany. Earnings are coming out. It says here December 3rd before the markets opened. Let's go to Twitter. Twitter's our last one. Bullish above 52 and bearish below 51. There you have it, you guys. And those are your whispers for October 29th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.